Orlando Pirates have officially begun their squad overhaul ahead of the new season, confirming the departures of veteran skipper Innocent Maila and experienced midfielder Mikael Tim. The announcement came just hours after the Buccaneers wrapped up their 2024-2025 campaign with a 1-1 stalemate against Magesi FC at Orlando Stadium. Soweto Giants broke the news via their social media platforms on Thursday morning, marking the end of an era of two key figures whose contracts are set to expire at the end of June. Wednesday evening saw a poignant moment unfold in Orlando as Maila, the club's long-serving captain, was substituted in the 66th minute to a thunderous ovation from the home crowd. It was the symbolic farewell for a player who has been the embodiment of commitment and leadership in the famous black and white. Maila, 32, is reportedly set to transition into a non-playing role within the Pirates structure, a move that aligns with his character and contributions beyond the pitch. Interim head coach Mandla Ncikazi praised Maila's impact both as a footballer and a mentor, and said he's a true leader on and off the field. Even in a different capacity, his intelligence and football knowledge will continue to serve this club. Over the course of 209 appearances, Maila helped the Buccaneers secure multiple pieces of silverware, including the Nedbank Cup, and built a legacy that will resonate for years to come. And said, from a boy with a dream to the captain of the Bucks ship, Maila, he lived the dream and led the pride. Thank you for the memories, the moments, and the legacy. Once, always. Pirates also confirmed the departure of midfielder Mikael Tim, whose 2024-2025 season was marked by limited playing time following two strong campaigns as a regular starter. Tim joined Pirates 3 seasons ago from Maroma Gallants and quickly became a crucial figure in Jose Rivero's squad rebuild. His composed presence in the middle of the park was vital to the team's domestic dominance under the Spanish tactician, contributing to 5 trophy wins during that period. He departs with over 60 appearances for the club. The club said, "Thank you, Mikael Tim, for every tackle, every pass, and every battle fought. Wishing you all the best once always." Though his future remains officially undecided, Tim has already been linked with the move to Sekhukhune United, a transfer rumor that has gained traction in recent weeks. With both Maila and Tim making their exits, Orlando Pirates signal a fresh chapter in their evolution. The off-season reshuffle and is expected to continue as the club aims to retool and contend at the higher level once again. As the Buccaneers look ahead, they do so with gratitude for the men who gave their all and with confidence that their legacy will inspire the next generation to don the famous jersey with similar pride. The caretaker coach Mandla Ncikazi said he is ready to serve anywhere should the club ask him to do next season after the departure of Jose Rivero. Ncikazi, who has been assistant to Rivero in the last 3 years, feels he has learned a lot from the Spanish coach, but that is up to the management to decide who they appoint. Buccaneers completed their season with a 1-1 draw with Magesi at Orlando Stadium, where Ncikazi was in charge as interim. Ncikazi said, "I've learned too much in this club. You don't only learn as a coach, you also learn as a human being. They teach you to be a better man and a better human being." Ncikazi was speaking during the post-match press conference and said, "It augurs well for me. I'm not the type who is looking for opportunities. When I got into this club, I became a servant. I want to serve this club. Remember, when you are appointed here, you must put your aspiration in the right place. You are here to serve, and if you are serving, you are not the one who determines which direction you go with the mission. I'm here and I will go where I've been sent to go and preached the gospel, and it's not me. It is the appointer who will take a decision." Ncikazi, who's 46 years old, also hailed the leadership qualities of the team captain Innocent Maila and said he is a product of this institution. "I remember the first time I met him, he was playing for Tanda Zulu Royal, and I was still in KwaZulu-Natal, and I wanted to sign him, but I was told he belongs to the big institution. I'm sure he is educated at home and in the institutions of learning. It is a blessing, and I'm sure his career is going to continue. It's not the end. He is just taking another direction in his career." Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.